Hello everybody and welcome back to the Artsy Guru Cooking Channel. I'm William, the Artsy Guru, and today we are going to make a sour cream pound cake. Oh, it is so fabulous. You're going to love it. So anyway, let's get started. So we are going to start out with a half a pound of butter. It's got to be good butter. And 3 cups of sugar. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our butter in. Oh, this is so yummy. And sorry about the table. I haven't put in the new table yet. I guess I have to buy one first, huh? Oh, this is going to be so fabulous. It is so nice to be back on the job again. I was out for a few weeks. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start mixing our butter in. Oh. Doesn't this butter look fabulous? I could just eat it like this. Butter is so good for you, I think. Takes a lot of work. But it is so good for you. Well, tasty anyway. So, I hope you're all getting ready for Thanksgiving. It's going to be fabulous. The pumpkin pie went over extremely well. Everybody loved it. I'm so glad. And the other day, I made a carrot cake and had friends over. And eventually, you'll get to meet those friends. They're so good to me. They're fabulous. Takes a while to stir this up. It's quite a bit of sugar, 3 cups, and a half a pound of butter. But it is going. So, yummy. So, I'm going to get this mixed up and I will be right back, okay? Okay, here we go. Our fabulous butter and sugar. Oh, looks so good, doesn't it? So anyway, let's go ahead and continue mixing. So now, we've got to mix in 6 eggs, okay? So go ahead and drop those in and start mixing. Mixing by hand today. Great exercise. Okay, that looks like enough. And next we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. I've got it right here. Oopsie. Oopsie. Okay, go ahead and mix this. Now, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in. Just kind of spread it over a little bit. There we go. Now, go ahead and add this a little bit at a time, okay? It's 3 cups of sifted flour. This is going to be so good. The flour kind of throws around everywhere. Oh well, it'll be fabulous. There we go. Now, perfect. So now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I forgot this one is brand new. Oh my goodness, I'm always doing this. I guess I'm getting covered in flour, aren't I? Okay. But I must say it's never this bad. There we go. Now, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, very simple recipe. This smells so wonderful. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get the Bundt pan. And I'm going to, I've already pre-greased it and floured it, okay? Goodness. Now, okay. All right. Wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a 325-degree oven for about an hour and a half, okay? So I will see you back shortly. Well, here we go, and here it is, this fabulous sour cream bundt cake. Oh, it looks wonderful. Look at this. Oh, absolutely amazing. I guess you would want a little slice cut, huh? Well, let me get a knife real fast. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so crunchy at the bottom. It's still a little warm. And here it is. Oh, absolutely amazing. Look at that, just wonderful. The bottom, it came out perfect. Well, I hope you had a fabulous time with me today. And if you love what you saw and want to see more and be notified, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and ring that bell. Also, go to artsyguru.com where you will see everything from the recipes to my latest blogs, a little bit of what's been going on lately and all that jazz. So you have a wonderful day and thank you for joining me.